making Hamentashens! So let's get right into it. Our first step is going to be adding 2 cups of flour into the food processor. Then we're going to add 2/3 cups of sugar. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 120 grams of butter cut up into small cubes, and now we're gonna mix them until they have a crummy texture. This is the consistency of what your mixture should look like, nice and crummy. Now we're gonna add 2 eggs in, and we're gonna keep pulsing so it will have a doughy texture. Pulse, pulse, pulse. So now we're gonna, this is what our dough looks like, and now we're gonna wrap it up and we're gonna put it in the fridge for 10 minutes. While our dough is resting, we are gonna be making our filling.
You can fill your Hamentashen with whatever you want.
But we're gonna be doing half of them with Nutella and half of them with date filling. So we're gonna be making the date filling right now, and it's super simple. All you need is about 12 pitted dates. You need to let them boil in half a cup of boiling water for about 10 minutes. And then you're gonna just need to take them, you're gonna put them in the food processor, and we're gonna mix until it has a jam-like texture. So now our dough is out of the fridge and we are going to flatten it out. So Razi, please put it on the flour. So we need flour so it doesn't stick to the table. So what you're going to do next is you're going to take a cup, you're going to go to your dough and make a nice little piece of dough.
Shaped as a circle.
And we're going to take some of our filling.
Make sure not to take too much of the filling.
Then you're just going to form it into a triangle and put it on the tray. So Razi's going to make one out of Nutella.
So take the cup, squeeze it in, take your circle right out.
Fold it into a nice triangle. Perfect. And into the tray.
The tray goes.
Now we're going to put our Hamentashens into a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes.
Until they're golden brown.
So now we're going to take some powdered sugar and we're going to slightly tap it on our Hamentashens.
Don't get too much on it.
And now I think it's time for the
Taste test.
Wow, they're super good. Great texture, very crunchy, very sweet. And I just have to say, it's absolutely delicious.
It's really good. So it's sweet, and I really like the powdered sugar on it, and you guys should definitely try this out.
Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next one.
Peace.